Hey, soundproofing pros! Ready to take your quiet game to the next level? Let's explore advanced soundproofing techniques to lock out noise like a fortress, perfect for studios or home theaters. First, decoupling walls. Build with double stud walls or use resilient channels to separate drywall from studs. This breaks sound vibrations, cutting noise transfer by up to 70%. Add green glue between layers for extra damping. Next, mass and isolation. Layer mass-loaded vinyl with soundproof drywall for serious mass. Aim for an STC rating above 50. Float your floor with rubber isolators to stop impact noise cold. Step 3, advanced absorption. Install bass traps in corners and diffusers on walls to tame low frequencies and reflections. Pair with acoustic curtains made of dense fabrics like suede for a polished look and sound control. For windows, go beyond basics with laminated glass inserts. They block high decibel noise like traffic or planes. Seal every edge with silicone sealant for a tight fit. Finally, test with precision. Use a decibel meter post-install at different times, say 4 p.m. PST, to spot weak spots. Adjust with more mass or absorption as needed. Master these techniques, and your space will be a soundproof haven. Start today and enjoy the silence by tonight.